Hello, I'm MrJaxacoola and I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. So first of all, we have to scramble it. Scrambling. I think we can all agree that is pretty scrambled. Two of the things are missing, but this is the white and that's the blue. Remember that. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. This is, by the way, the first time I've done it today. So if I'm a little bit rusty, that's why. When I do the Rubik's Cube, I don't think about the algorithm that I'm doing, it just comes to me, and the moment you start thinking about what you're doing, it puts you off completely and you can't do it. Even making this video now is making me slightly slower at doing this, because I have to focus on speaking to you as well. Or do I? Yes, I do. Now, I don't know what time that was, but you can probably see down on the screen wherever that timer is. Completely complete. These cube tiles fell off, but that's blue and that's white.